Hello guys! Today we're going to be practicing with two different printmaking techniques. The first one, for our step one, we're going to be using these different texture plates, and we're going to be putting them under our paper and using these peeled crayons to do some texture rubbings. So when you do these, you can kind of pick a spot underneath your big paper. If you hold it flat and pinch and push, ooh, look at that, you can get some really cool designs. And so I want you to practice and play around with layering colors and doing some different textures in some different spaces. So maybe I'll put this one over here and try a different color. And if I wanted to maybe move it just like a little tiny bit, add a second color, ooh, that makes a really cool effect. So play around by using different textures and different colors, and you can layer different textures over each other. This is our step one. When you are finished, we're going to work together on step two. So for step two, we are done with our texture toys, and we're going to start using these trays of objects. And these objects look a little weird, I know. We have some different sponges and a tube, and we have a button, and we have this roller and some little roll-em-bobs. And what we're going to do is we're going to do some printing, some found object printing. These are objects we found in our art room, and we have a stamp pad at your table. And what I want you guys to do is to take these objects and try them out one at a time, rolling them through the ink and then trying to go across your paper and make some really fun designs. You know, maybe you want to try, these ones are rocker ones, so you rock back and forth, and then you can find a spot and rock back and forth on your paper, and look at that cool stamp. Maybe you could put a whole bunch together. That would be fun. We have some sponges. You can just kind of dip and press, and it makes a really nice rough texture. There should be one or two colors of ink at your table, and so try both of them out if you have two and see all the cool shapes you can make. Well, this one might not be working as good as the red one was. Let's try it with a different tool, see if it's, sometimes ink is dried out. Yeah, this one might be dried out. Okay. Well, if you find an ink pad that doesn't work, let Mrs. Mulzer know and I'll get you a new one, okay? So we want to, best as you can, fill as much of your paper with these fun textures. I just really like these rocker ones. All right, I think I'll try this button too. So I press and see what kind of makes a nice little dot. Okay, so today we're exploring. I want you to try all these different objects and see what type of cool prints you can make.